Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see an example of CSS combinator selectors. There are four types of combinator selectors. There are space selector combinators, child selectors combinators, adjacent sibling selectors, and general sibling selectors. Today we will see three of them, these last three ones. Let's start with child selectors combinators. Child selectors combinators basically select those all elements which are children of specific elements. Look at this code. Here I take a card div. Inside of card div there are some different HTML tags: h3, paragraph, span, again a paragraph, another list, and span. If we consider this card as a parent, all of others inside of this card's tags are children of this card. So what child selector do? Child selectors already told you that these cards parents, if I target this card and inside all of these children we can select any of them to modify its style. So look at this CSS style. If we want to change the h3 tags style inside of this card, so we will write like this using the greater than sign CSS selectors. This indicates inside this element we will target all the h3 children, and if we implement this style, Ctrl S, we found this. It's changed the h3 children's style. Like this we can change the other paragraph text style because they are also the children of this entire card. If we will write this code, if we hover on this, we'll found this indicates our targeted elements is card, and inside of this card all the children's p are targeted. And if we save this, we found this all the paragraphs inside of this card which are children of this card styles is changed. Okay, these all the child selectors. Now we talk about the adjacent sibling selectors. Adjacent sibling selectors usually use the plus signs. So what is adjacent sibling selectors? Adjacent sibling selectors basically work on siblings. Suppose we have h3 siblings. There are different siblings, and if we targeted these h3 siblings, we want to change its adjacent paragraph sibling style. So if we using this child adjacent sibling selectors with plus sign, if we hover on this, we found that our element is h3. This is a siblings inside of this class, and these siblings has adjacent siblings is paragraph, and our targeted siblings is paragraph. If we save this, look at that, this siblings adjacent paragraph style is changed. Similarly, if we target this paragraph and we want to change the its adjacent siblings span style, we want to change, we can do that. Okay, this is adjacent siblings examples. Now if we want to change not only this adjacent siblings, all of these siblings which are paragraphs, we want to change this style. Look at this code. Here if I hover on this, our elements is h3, and our targeted elements is it's all paragraph siblings. So if we save this, look at this, this h3 is all adjacent paragraph siblings styles is changed. We target these general siblings, target all the paragraph text. Sorry for this symbol. Actually, plus sign is used for adjacent siblings, and this one is for all general siblings selectors. So if you more style, one comment is the code. Again, this is one kind of adjacent siblings. This means our elements is paragraph and its adjacent siblings is UL. This, look at this paragraphs adjacent siblings is UL. We want to change its style. If we save this code, voila, its style is changed. Like one more examples for general siblings. If I uncomment this, if I hover on this, found these paragraphs, this is the all of these siblings, these paragraph siblings has more span tag siblings. We want to change all these span tags style through this, which are totally at the siblings of this paragraph. So if you save this, look at that, the all font families changes in the monospace, and this is for general sibling selectors. Alright friends, this is of our CSS combinators, 3 of them. I will discuss. We'll see you next video.